Introducing the future of driving with the 2025 Skoda Superb C SE Plus 2.0 TDI. This sleek estate model in grey boasts a powerful 150 horsepower DSG engine for a smooth automatic ride, packed with comfort and accessories including air conditioning, cruise control and Wi-Fi. Every journey will be a luxurious experience. The security and safety features such as collision alert, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags ensure peace of mind for you and your passengers. With stylish accents like the chrome package and privacy glass, this vehicle turns heads on the road. Plus, the added convenience of features like the power boot close and wireless charging make every drive a breeze. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit our website spiritskoda.ie for more information on how you can make this dream car a reality. Drive into the future with the 2025 Skoda Superb C SE Plus 2.0 TDI today.